guys. We're in beautiful Salineville, Ohio. There's traffic passing and stuff like that. Salineville, Ohio, my hometown. I tell you what, I love playing Salineville. Tomorrow night, I have a show at 6 o'clock p.m. at the United Methodist Church right across the street. You can look right there. That's the United Methodist Church there. It's going to be a good time. Show is by donation. 100% of the money that's raised at the show will go to Kids Helping Kids. Yes, Kids Helping Kids. New basketball court, the Filler Cruiser program. It all goes to good causes. I want you to remember something. I want you to remember something here. For just a couple of bucks, you could bring a little magic into a child's life. I'm Jason Riggs from Pizza Wolf Magic. I want to thank you very much. Have a good day.